Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking Chinese style asparagus and tofu stir fry, which can be served as an appetizer, snack or main course with some steamed rice, and it tastes heavenly. It is a perfect combo of healthy and delicious food. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make delicious Chinese style asparagus and tofu stir fry for your family and friends. Hi friends, today we are making Chinese style stir fried asparagus with tofu. So we have taken one bunch of fresh asparagus which we have already washed, and we are using organic extra firm tofu. So this is about 396 grams of tofu that we are using. So we have taken the tofu on a paper towel because tofu contains some water. So we need to squeeze the water from the tofu using the paper towel or kitchen towel. So after squeezing the water from the tofu, we need to cut it in the cube pieces. So you can see that our tofu is ready and we have chopped it in cubes. Now keep the flame on medium and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of any oil. We are using avocado oil. So we will be shallow frying the tofu in this oil. Now add the tofu that we have prepared. We need to shallow fry it on all the sides until all the sides turn golden brown. So we have started roasting the tofu. So once you start roasting the tofu, you can turn the flame to medium high and start roasting it. But you need to keep an eye on the tofu all the time, and you need to keep turning it. We need to make all the sides brown and roast it until all the sides turn golden brown. So you can see that the tofu is nicely fried golden brown from all the sides. So now we can take it out from the pan. Now to prepare the asparagus for Chinese asparagus tofu stir fry, we need to take out first the lower end of the asparagus, which is about 1.5 inch. So you can use a knife to do that, or you can also use your hands and you can just bend it like this and it will come out easily. So we need to take out the lower end of the asparagus first and we need to chop it in 1 inch pieces. Like this, we need to prepare the asparagus. So now we will use the same pan in which we have fried the tofu, and we will use the sesame oil to make the gravy. So we have added about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. You can use any oil if sesame oil is not available. Now add chopped garlic, some ground ginger or grated ginger. Allow it to roast until golden brown. So once ginger and garlic are roasted, add chopped spring onion. Roast the spring onion for 2 minutes. Once spring onions are roasted for 2 minutes, add 2 cups of vegetable broth. So we have used organic vegetable broth for this recipe, which is low in sodium. After adding the vegetable broth, bring it to a boil. So once the vegetable broth comes to boil, we will be adding 1/4 cup of soy sauce. So we have prepared this cornstarch slurry. To prepare this, we have taken 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, or we can also take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we need to mix it with half cup of water And after mixing it, we need to add it to this gravy. So we are using this Thai version of sweet red chili sauce, which you can easily get from the market. You can use any sweet red chili sauce in this recipe. We will be adding about half cup of sweet red chili sauce into this. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So we have used white vinegar. Mix it well and add the chopped asparagus. Now add the salt as per your taste. Keep the flame on medium high. Now add the fried tofu. Mix it well. Give it a stir and cover with a lid and cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. So it's been cooking for 5 minutes and you can see it really looks delicious. So now we can serve it. So we have served the Chinese style stir fried asparagus and tofu. We have served it as a main course with some steamed rice. You can also use it as an appetizer or snack. So while serving it, we need to garnish with some spring onions. Garnish with some roasted sesame seeds as well on top. It gives some crunchy flavor to the recipe. So enjoy this dish with your family and friends. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.